Hey guys, today I'm back with my new Casio G-Shock watch and I'm gonna unbox this watch right now. And in my last unboxing video I just unboxed this pretty watch. Yeah, and it's time to get unboxed this watch, and model name is GA-1100-9GDR and price is 12,995 rupees only. So let's check this out and let us open it without any formalities. Whoa, come on baby, come on. Yeah, let us open this box, and here we get the module, and this time it's too thick. Yeah, okay, we don't care because we all know. And here we got the warranty or guarantee card. Yeah, okay, no props, get it. And here is the box. Let's take it out. And here is the box, and let us check out the watch. And I think it's too tough. Oh my god, what the fuck, man? Open. And that's it. And here is the watch. Check out this watch, and yeah, we can see it pretty black and gold combo is perfectly awesome. Yeah, let me show you that it is original Casio G-Shock watch. And yeah, we can see G-Shock shock wrist. Check this. Yeah, and this watch is amazing. And in this watch we get adjust, light, mode, search and compass. This is quite cool. Let's check this out first. Let's press this. Okay, and here we get the directions. Let us tilt it. And this is fun. We get to know the directions. So yeah, okay, wow. And here we get the world time, and it's Sydney, but we are not in Sydney, no props. And here is stopwatch, timer, alarm. We got the 4 alarm, and this is the time 1 a.m. in India. So this is awesome, and let us check out this. It's light. Yeah, light is white, I think, and yeah, it is. The light is awesome. So yeah, check this watch carefully. This is purely awesome, amazing watch. Tough watch, beautiful. Okay, and if you like this video, please like it, comment if you have any queries regarding this watch, and please subscribe my channel if you are new. Yeah, see this watch, Casio G-Shock. And we get another G-Shock watch. Ta-da. So please subscribe my channel, and I will be unboxing new things from time to time. Thank you guys. Please subscribe. Thumbs up.